everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you some embroidered salwar designs. These salwars are really popular and looks very traditional when you wear it. So these can be worn with any type of plain kurtas like white or off-white color or chikankari kurtas are really look very good in with these salwars, and also you can use them with plain black color kurti. So continue watching the video till the end to see various designer salwar patterns.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.